Jamaicans, stop tell people to run off in a foreign. Stop tell them to run off in a foreign. Let them come spend their vacation and go on back at their yard. If they plan to run off and stay upon them own, well, that a fit them decision. You stop tell them. Stop tell your friend them, family them, say, yo, run off. You see me I say? You hear me I tell the people. So, you guess what people? Me have a friend right now. The female I say, and he get deported back at Jamaica. You see me I say? He get deported back to Jamaica and get him visa and then go America good while, and in America, when he go America and go around to my bridging them and all these things, and when he around them people he used to go back and forth before, but you ain't seen bridging them at work and them a live a life, and them, you know, you see me them enjoy themselves in America like money I make, but in bridging them then straight, you know, them have their green card and all these things. Two of them are even citizenship. Citizen. You see me? So him now see the lifestyle over there and decide say yo like him want to take in part of that. You get to me I say so when he got Jamaica now, he call him friend on the phone and his friend I tell him say yo, he ask him friend say yo, what you think dog? You see me I say me not feel like say boy I go back to Jamaica, you know. You see me I feel like I go stay America, me nah go back home and all them things the way thing. You see me I say, and then 1 minute he say yo, I me not even bother stay, you know. Then he's like he go shout out to him friend and say, so what you think? The friend I say, dog, yeah man, you came before me and you dog, me no go back to Jamaica man, run off man, take and figure out a way over here. And all these things, people. You see me? So anyway, in America all long. And it hardship reaching people, because me tell you, once you run off people, hardship, you have to prepare for hardship. Ness, you feel me? I say, hardness I go come up in a game, because you go there, you now no papers and you can't move around or you want to move around and all these things. Whole heap of stress I go come in and play and all these things. So you are go get confused now and be like, damn, listen, boy, I don't even know what me doing. Yes, so you know, why me left me good. Here where you start complaining and say no. You start complaining and say, yo, me no know why me left me good yard, you know, and all them things there. I should have left me yard, cause me they have everything. At Jamaica, me there Jamaica, and me hungry, me can't go fry 2 flour, me can't go run and so go do that. And so you start saying, you know. You see me? That's what you start saying. So now when you didn't know people and you come in now and you get caught up in an immigration now system now and you get deported back to Jamaica, you know who you start blame? You start blaming your friend, because now you say, yo, I'm a friend, you know, that man tell him, my man tell me about run off and all these things, you know. You see me I say and all them something the people. So me I tell on the people, stop tell the people them say if you run off in a foreign country. Stop tell them to do it. If they want to run off, make them run off on them own. You not take up that the responsibility they say you are go help them out and all them thing the people, as far as give them information and tell them say yo watch on man, yeah, you can run off and all these things, people. Me tell you this, man. This is me. Me know one thing me not do for none of my friend them. You see me in a foreign country and then come to me and tell me say yo, me not tell you if you run off. You get to me and say that way me not do. You have to go cuss and kill me and tell me say yo, you may put say this. If you come to me and ask me say yo, dad, Spotitdon Perth, what me fi do? You see me and say me no want to go back to my country now. Me I go run off. You get to me and say, alright. You can't ask me that. You see me I say, me I go make you make the decision upon your own, cause me no want when time hardness reach you and all them things there, me I go start blame. Me no want have the stress upon my shoulder. You see me, so me not gonna tell you no. when me know say me that do for you. You see me I say, when me know say me that do for you, you know, as a man where you see me, you see if you the American now, you come up on your visa and you decide say yo, you want to run off. And you make the choice on your own without me help you. You say you want to go, I want a different state. Yeah, right now, me can probably, what me we do now, if you say you want to run off, you know, me help you with the situation there. Me not help you with run off, and if you run off and you decide, say, you run off on your own without me, my consent, me tell you, say, yo, watch you now, run off. And you decide, say, yo, you run off. No, you're there in one place, one state now, and you want to move from point A to point B now. You see me, I say, and you decide, say, yo, watch you now, dog, me want to go. Say you're there Boston now and you want to go New York because you feel like say a better way there, so no. You know, no way if you get a New York now, I ask me if you drop you. Yeah, me drop you. You see me, I said me drop you a New York. You see me there now, if me can't in one job, and me see say one job there, you run off and me see say one job there, me can squeeze in to make you get the job there. Yeah, me will help you with them thing there. You see, if me have money now, and me see as that, yeah, me bridging now, you run off on your own, you know. You get to me, I say, and me see say, you want a car, me can help you out with that. Yeah, me help you out with them little things, the people. You see me? Yeah, me help you out with those type of things, guys. But you see, if it tell you, say, yo, when you come to America, enter and run off people, me nah go do it. You see me? So the people, them need to stop to tell the people them to. And me tell you enough of them do to people. You see? A lot of Jamaicans, you know, they have some family member, I could have even friends too. You see me? And them see them friend that travel good on them visa, you know, people. You see it, and them know say them overstay for them papers long time, so them can't travel and them no way to get no papers. You get to me as a people, so them decide say, yo, right now them see you a come back and forth now, that start getting them feelings and start a bad mind against that, because them say, oh, you a travel so and all these things and all them things there. Excuse me, so no bear in mind, you know, when they see you come there, you know, they see say you enjoy yourself, you know. Them see say you meet one little girl around this, you know. They might see say you find one girl in America and you like the girl, you know, or something. So they start tell the dog, you know, so when you go back to Jamaica, then girl go sleep on you and them girl go deal with man on you and all them things there. So they might dog, if me and you dog, me want to go back to Jamaica, dog, what you got Jamaica go do right now? You see me, I say, so you tell him, man, you know, you got Jamaica, dog, I find if you turn man and try make it. No, you are telling man if you stay in America. And when you look around upon you in America, you barely have a work. you're not straight. You don't have no green card, much like citizenship. So how you feel tell somebody if you run off and stay? You feel me? I say your life where you live in America not really stable right now. And now me have my visa, right? Me have my visa, I can pay my ticket to come every other month or whenever. Cause spend a 2 week and them now and then come up there. Me can book my ticket to come visit you. Me have my apartment at Jamaica where me know say me good. Me have my car where me a drive good. Me alright. Me have little money in my bank account and me know me can go buy me food at Jamaica. Now me a visit you over there so in America now and you will see that me a forward back and forth now just because you cannot go to Jamaica now. Them say misery love company. You want me if it's run off now and stay amongst you. Then when me run off and stay amongst you now and things now work out for me because this is not my playground. You see me I say so me go run off on my visa right now. Remember me not no social now, no green now, no work permit. Run off on my visa so now me can't get no job. It 2 away amongst head like a croft now, like some poor one. So now you start getting your feelings and you start growing and tell a friend, dog, all them man they just doing my house, dog. Man just say when me go in my house, me just a see man in my face. Me can't even make no move, dog, and all them thing there, dog. Man, me can't even bring one girl in my house and all them thing there. You see me, man wouldn't even go outside and go take on the road or go try to figure out something. I see. I so remember, you know, you tell a man, say, through you see how a man are living in fancy life, I travel back and forth on the plane. You see me, you tell him man, say, you want him to run off. Yeah? So I got people, so people on have to start wise up now, which me glad to see that a lot of young Jamaicans right now that obtaining the US visa, them decide say yo they not run off. You see me like back in ideas, because if you really check his stats, you know, a whole lot of people say from 2000. That's say from 2020. You see me I say from 2020, if you check that people, all the people now run off again enough after Corona time. When people really Corona come and make people see say they can lock up in their house and make money, them can get to understand the rules and the ropes what's going on in America. So them decide say yo watch out now. Them now run off. You look at people, them young generation, them get them visa right now. People them a go America and them a go America go visit. Nowadays, you know, people not just want people. Jamaican people now really run off again like that. You feel me? I say enough people at Jamaica. And I live them want to go live America while you see them just want to get a visa for go experience, go on a vacation, maybe go 1 and 2 shop, go take few pictures over this and come back at them yard. Me sure that these Jamaicans nowadays, enough of them not plan for run off. And that with enough of them in America run off and mess up them thing now when they see them type of Jamaica, yeah, do them thing, they might try convince you if you run off in a country. You see me I say, you tell the person if you run off. So when time a person get shaky in a life now and start blame, you now say, you make it run off and all them things there. You can't say nothing. You see me? And that's the topic of the day, people. When we bring over here, so the topic of the day is do not tell nobody to run off in a foreign country. Make them make that decision for themselves. You get to me, I say people, make them make the decision for themselves. Now ask me if you want, if you are gonna run off, if you are gonna run off, what you want me to do? Like, you run off if you want to run off, my friend. You see me can't promise you until they say, yo, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be great, cause when they run off in a people, that is a big decision. The decision they are like oh put in a decision they are like say you get married then. You're going in a married relationship. You get to me, I say people, it's like you have to go take care of baby. You see me? Because no, I saw running off in America, go right now. This is a serious decision that you have to go make. You get to me, I say, so people, please, no run off, turn on a visa, focus and travel and live on a life. That is a better way that. You see me, I say, if you stay, so no, woman, while you travel by a visa, you meet a girl now, I decide, say, you watch, you want to marry to her now, and adjust a status now. Stay from down at Jamaica, go and travel back by a visa, same way. If you even possible married for her to marry her at Jamaica, and even go in a country, go marry that. And they say, oh, you come in a country, go marry that, and this and that. You see me, I say, make she come at Jamaica. Show them say yo feel love thing real. She fly down for you. Come marry there and all them thing there. So now you get a green card. 10-year green card you go get when you file from out of your country. So when you go to America now you have a green card and then you love Jamaica so much you can then after 3 years you turn a 5-year citizenship stay out of trouble. Get a citizenship then you can live at Jamaica for as long as you want. You see me? So that I think people, because right now, you know, as you can see, a whole heap of people, you see I'm making all these videos, say them going back to Jamaica and all them things. But then again, you have people in America where are living in misery right now. Their life miserable, my friend. Miserable, confused. You see me, I say stressed out, depressed, especially when they see you a travel back and forth every summer, every Christmas you gone home. Them not like that. You see me, I say them stressed out over them type of thing, the people. You see me, believe it or not. You see me? So right now, some of them people, the way they run them people, they have to be careful to call them people, they set up your travel and set up a thing in your suitcase and all them things, the worst if you have a green card. I can watch you now, I'm sure we reach enough people. You see me? I don't know if people can relate to this. All right. You're there in America, you know some people live in America or long they're in America now. You go upon America and upon your visa. You do whatever you do. You see me? I say, and you decide, say, yo, you now go back to Jamaica and them did it all wrong. Them glad now say they run them and the two are illegal now, my friend. In a country and them a move good cause them have a company now and all these things. One day you go come now until you go tell them say, yo, watch you know, so I find somebody if you married me. You see me, I say me, I get my papers and all them things there. You know what? Somebody they get in their feelings now. They start get bad mind you see me, they start move some type of way now and all these things cause it feeling that their stomach you know that you know just come and them did it all wrong now and you come fly past them and get your green card and them did it over 25 years and can't get no papers, my friend. And you just come 5 years ago. Jesus Christ, it's crazy. So people are them type of thing, the whole political bad mind thing, a whole political thing in it. So one have to just make on a decision on your own. You feel me? I say, especially immigration decision these days, you have to make it on your own. You see me? This is not time for you ask nobody for what you think me supposed to do. Or you feel me? You think me supposed to go back to Jamaica, or you think me should stay in America, and all them things that these are the decisions that you got to just make on your own. We can't help you with them type of decision there. You see me as a people? Yeah, we can't help you with them type of decision there. So you have to make it. So at that, me come over here for a reason with people, because you feel me? I say, me have a bridging and me talk. You see me? I say, yo, dog, you feel me? In bridging get deported at Jamaica, you see me? Man, I cuss him and I tell him, say, yo, I feel fault and all them things they catch. We ask him, say, yo, wait, dog. I feel like I'm overstay and him jump up and say, yeah, dog, overstay, man, me, yo, Ray, this and that, you can do it and Ray, thing and all them things. So now, you know, you have that on your shoulder, because you feel like, say, if you tell him to overstay, if you never tell him to overstay now and you make that the choice upon him own, well, I just circle, but I just part of life. I just some simple things, people, and these things are really going on right now out there in the world, because people out there in the world right now, I tell people, say, yo, watch you now, run off. And not just America alone, Canada, England, Caribbean island too, especially in the Caribbean island. You see me, I say so, people I tell them, say, yo, run off and all these things, and when them run off and then think people, them start struggle right now and face stress. You see me, and then you have to take on that car, you, them a call you know. You see me, and now you are try to cuss them now and say, yo, dog, you have to make it, you have to do it for yourself, you know, all them things they so. And just do what I do, and just Be smart in everything on do. Viewers and subscriber, remember if you do it right, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to all of my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I don't post over here, guys, but you know, me I run off our next YouTube channel, Spotitdon TV, which you don't know that too. So, you feel me? I say, you can be here with me. We are going to organize up the content them to bring over here on a regular. We are try working some different things too, you know, guys. I try put some different things together to bring over here for you guys to enjoy and stuff like that. So, you see me? Big up yourself, man. Just go and subscribe and just go and support Spotitdon TV. Remember, Spotitdon TV all around. You feel me? I say every YouTube channel, Spotitdon TV, Facebook, Instagram, and all these things. I remember, no one can use the name and take it and say that's their name. I want Spotitdon TV. You feel me? I say so. I'm out.